I will show you now the code of the project, and if you want to see the code is here at this URL. And how does it work? So actually I connected three moisture sensor. There is a LED pin 6, and this is just for some blinking, and I connected R0, R1 and IH, and we can also see the sketch, the freezing, so it's better to see how is connected all the stuff, and it's pretty easy. Okay, so this is the Sigfox, the MakerFox 1200, and there are three moisture sensor, and I have these three: A0, A1 and A2 connected. Okay, so if we go back to the code, I built it on Arduino web editor, and I have a variable that allows you to see to decide if you want to send messages to the Sigfox cloud or to the console to monitor. So I create I set up it false, so we will see what does it happen. Here in the setup, if I create an interrupt wake up, it's an alarm, so the body is not always on, it's on just every 20 minutes, and we will show later how. And then I created the LED pin as an output, and I configure the Sigfox communication to see if the chip inside the Sigfox is okay. Then this is the code we saw in the previous video on first configuration, so it's not useful here. And then we do Sigfox end. This is for the real-time clock for the interrupt. And then the main loop, it's pretty easy. We wait 3 seconds, and then we go to read the 3 analog sensor, and we just use this map function because the sensor, actually my sensor send the data between 0 and 1000, and so in this way we convert the data from 1000 to 0 and from 0 to 100 when we read something here. So this is like a proportion, and this way if it's dry, the bird is the sensor will give you a data near 0, and if it's wet it's more near 100. And this is just some control code, and then we create a message, sort of package. So we send the first reading, the second reading, and the third reading from the moisture sensor, and then we send the message through the thanks to this function. And this is all the code you need to send the data to Sigfox. Once you done it and run it, you can go to the Sigfox, click on the device, and if you go to messages, you should see your Sigfox data. And this is the last message I've received, and the data, and if you want the location, if you need the location. And this is the quality of the network. So if you want to improve the possibility to send a message correctly. You have to change maybe the position of the antenna in some better place. And that's all for the Arduino side of the code.